Okay, so I'm going to show how to disassemble a Samsung model NP930MBE. It's pretty easy to get open. First you want to do, remove these legs. All you need is your fingernail or a little tool and just pull on the corner and it'll pop out just like that. So you can see it has these little grooves here and then these parts just go in there. Underneath these there'll be little Phillips screws. You use a PH0 or J0 screwdriver bit. It's a smaller one, and just make sure when you're opening it you put a lot of force on it. You do that for all four corners, and that's all that's holding it in place. To remove it though, you're gonna need a suction cup. Let me see where I do it. So just get a suction cup, stick it on, and then you can just pull on this. So get a better angle, but basically you just yank on it. I can't do this with one hand. Let's see if I can hold this. I don't know how I'm gonna hold it. But let's see if I can do it with one hand. Just yank on it. You'll try and have to hold one side down, the lip, and then you can pull on this. But let's see. I might have to hold it with something. Let's see. There. But yeah, basically while you're holding this, pull on it, and then the edge, it'll pop up just like that. Okay, and then you just kind of go all around, and it'll pop out. Just like that. It's easy. You can see the little clips on the side. Okay. So yeah, you just need a suction cup, pry up. If you don't have a suction cup, you can, if you have a GPS mount on your window or something, you can grab that and use that. But yeah, if you don't have that, you can use a pry tool, but it's kind of more risky. You might scratch it. So then you can see the speakers here, connected here. Another speaker connected here. The battery's connected there, just held in with these screws. Okay, you can see they're using a SSD. This is a M.2, and the LCD connectors here, hinges for the screen. Everything looks pretty simple to remove. They got this cable here for the power button, so that's nice. If you break the power button, it's on its own separate thing. The wireless card is soldered to the main board, so if the wireless has problems, hopefully it's just the antenna, because if it's this, then you have to replace this board. It's a separate board, so that's good. Then you got the connector for, that's I believe for the backlight for the keyboard. And you got this cable. This, where's that going? Oh, this connects that board to the motherboard, to the main board with the processor. Got the fan connector here. Can't tell what these two are. They're most likely for the keyboard. Actually, this looks more for the keyboard. But keyboard, trackpad, all these cables are under here. Actually, this is to connect this to here. Then this is the keyboard. This is most likely trackpad, battery connector, and that's pretty much it. So it looks like if you want, you can upgrade the SSD pretty easily. The RAM, you can't see it, so it's most likely soldered on the bottom just because of how thin this is. There's no way they can use an actual RAM stick. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Bye.